Nana Jantua. Se wo pe bibi wo Dr. Baumia honom na Dr. Baumia mfa mawa. Memfere brane be
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho. Maybe whom you from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom you from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
Ghana for hunu video bia Nana Jantua edeme MC Ishmael any political movies esi ni show ni so horo yen se akatoa ye de be yen kwan na me pese me fa akwanya we so ka che Nana Jantua se akatoa so hwe okura yen kwan ene ye de yentine me ba beboa no ama ne de meniminu aba political movies ayen kwan wo politics mu na asedanka kwasi broni a ondwene nkobenkum a wo de social media aba esanse se nye kwasi broni na de social media aba ana yenso yenya akwanya ene ye de be responde asem a Nana Jantua aka enye no kure yi a enka ye ni opportunity bia anka de be responde Nana Jantua na Ghana hanom nko a ena se panyimu betwa ntro e de gu akora so na akora eba betutumu ntokuru a yesi akora no se bi wo mu ade nanso mete Ghana fo ase esanse ekwan no bi a ya na ye mu bi no efa so responding panyimfo no enye na Nana Jantua de wo ye o station honom no enye journalism because me kai pa tama na yeti ye nkurom kwapon sankore abetunuom asufu etie radio na na yetie eye Kwame Sefakan Y0ur Kwame Tanko Kwame Edinkramo no enye se na no me journalism ene de Nana Jantua ye nyina ne se enra na party bi wo so mo ya ade me kae eno nti se na obi aba na oye bia eyese meka Nana Jantua sa enye journalism no na Nana Jantua o kasa no o de nkofo bi ye reference e wo video ni me pesa me fa akwanya we so ka che o se wo mo a wo bo wo mo din e de wo ye reference a wo betina wo show no so no some of them they are my juniors se wunima kone kobusa Nana Jantua wo se ye nkora na de ende Nana Jantua ma me kan che o se emfie mu de wo be che me nanso no sabi eba kasemu a me started say me political communication for more than 10 years what is say will be ababonte abeka say MC Ishmael asema ho ka no boa ade a Nana Jantua eye no journalism ni nyina mu ne say obetia tiam na o manfo atene nka say ono nso Nana Jantua oho nanso Nana Jantua nya say na journalism tie eye ahwe the line of questions a obi asempa obusa eye ahwe the line of question a eye Tanko mo omubusa eye ahwe the line of question a Y0ur Kwame Sefakan mo omubusa e wo mu show so me pese me busa am say panyimu ben na aba wo show no so a watimi abusa no relevant question a sa question no e de mfaso abregana Nana Jantua obuo ni ani die kwan so senka me ye wunu aketoa anasa political movies ye wunu aketoa enka be ye wode ama wo ho say ah me nua aketoa mu sei omo nso no omo nan anya baabi nkakra ejina e wo politics enti se me wo afutu bi a me mfro omo backdoor na me ntu omo fo nanso yanko ye wunu anti ade ana Nana Jantua bit mine say wode yan betina the station ho na wa discredit nipa wa abra ono anim se nsema a wo ka no kre ba akokura anim Nana Jantua obuo ni ani die kwan so ya na ye me ya say wo ye chire ni nanso no onioma a wo ye ense chire ni because chire ni bia nim se sempo bibi koso na anko yi a ye wokwanya ye fa so etnetene Nana Jantua na one study educational psychology me ye sure pass say wo study educational psychology a enka nyoma bi wo hanka wonye Nana Jantua obuoni ani die kwan so NPP party na ewo honom sisi no eye party a Ghana for agye atum ama Ghana for hunu se enyoma NDC aban ba ye omo ye no enkoyie enu nti 2028 omo de Dr. Baumia ene NPP aban ese babim eno na Jantua hunu ena ompe enye ne fe nti sa na tie dia yenye mu bia nyame adom ye kasa omanfo etie ye kasa Ghana for tie efa no asopamu no obeba be discredit nanso na Jantua mpese meka che o se sebi enipa hye brani nipa nkwa enhye wonsem na minim se senka ye mu bi ye hye brani ye nkwa hye wonsem a enka sa mre wa bre yase na Jantua enkofo o ma ya radio adwuma ya ti wo mu din e wo Ghana hanom no enye sei no mo ye yo o mu de no kore obuo eni ani die ena ye radio adwuma enne o mo nso ye bo mu din a ye timi ka se am
wo so fa so pa ne se wan dis party so ne fa so bia wo so you cannot rescue Ghana. But catch up boko. Me ne ma ka say I'm very calm because mba no mo ye fragile. Me catch up plan. Kawano atum. A Dr. Baumia went me fa number from Ghana for name Dr. Baumia. Obi any mo boss ko na work no. Ghana for name no. Yet outside we know him. All my ben also they know him. And you can never bring such a person down, my dear. Jumpers when he said the table will turn one day. And after that, what next? Even the next NDC government or administration will not consider you. They are using you temporarily. It is show who see that can one at two. When you must say, "Me baby, the problems mum never brought now." So shut up. I'm a obushwa for ndromo. Okay, good.
Of Kennedy Japan saying he's left the party.
I haven't heard it. I have not heard it, and
that is brother.
If it is, if I have never been heard about his brother, I only heard about him.
Right.
And like I am, when you are in a political party, it does not mean whether your brother should also be in a political party. I don't know whether he's also there.
No,
so for this comment, I haven't heard it. So if indeed that is what he said, maybe it can be true and it can be false. It's left with Honorable Kennedy or Hina Japan to dispute that. And we talk about a committee. He talked about a committee that was set up in Ashanti region because of Kennedy. I put it on record here from the National Secretariat of the party. No committee was set up in Ashanti region purposely for Kennedy or Hini Ajapong. We set up one committee headed by Professor Reverend Mike Okay.
Oh, what are we talking about?
To investigate and also to interact with the party people and come out with the report. And that is something that has been done. Again, the huge defeat that happened in this country for the first time was 2016. 2016. The 2024 is just the second, overlapping that of the 2016. The NDC was slapped with a huge defeat.
Yeah, close to 1 million, you say.
Yes.
Today,
and look, it disintegrated the entire NDC. Oh, I visited him in Techiman when they sat down to do a collation. This man could not even drink his tea.
Oh, you are talking about
computer. They could not even come with resource. And let me tell you,
it was that bad?
NPP won the 2016 election because of what happened in 2012. And we went to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court looked at the weight of the evidence, agreed with most of the things that we sent there, and told us that elections are won at the polling station. We came and did a lot of reforms. We went, manned the polling stations, and won the elections from the polling stations. So we won the elections on our own merit. We did a lot of things before we went for that particular election, but we won the elections on our own merit. Whether we had a leader at the time or we did not have, or whether we dismissed people at the time, the party was focused on our strategy, not human beings.
And that's what you stick
every
to
party,
do now.
yes, you don't need to build the party on people.
But how do you respond to what Rashid told you, that you don't even have, you will not be able to crack the whip on Kennedy Japan because of his level of
view.
influence within the party.
You see, that is his view. And his views or opinions are enshrined in the 1992 Constitution. I can't take it away from him. The only thing you have to do is to wait whether we will be able to crack it or not. Because we are a disciplined political party.
Chino mind Ghana ho. And a woman jini ko etira. Nanka woman betina si ehuni say. Ewana woman da market and woman ni baby da. And nintina woman aye woman adwene say woman beda market. Inti se sa na te dia sa ankofo we to aba. Edi tie NPP government say woman pe change. Woman pa hoto. Woman pe nwuma ye. Such a way as our marketplaces in woman nkoda ho biem. And a woman did not say the two about the TMPP government. And a woman two about the man NDC. And but I don't find she say a pamegu or mammy. NDC by ye on fine she say a pubby and meguho. But be a meme dana minya sum bieka krana made two about TMPP na. Me two about
Joanna down. Sim with the beer you can once. On my way, just say you nim on my issue I walk. Kwa ya sheni ma papa na dan kwa kufu Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia yedema o my way. Any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia eden e dichere Ghana for me ba we ni we na meya mamo na busia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact on my bit me ko borrow on my be presidency. On my bit me ko borrow on my be leaders are KBA the new patriotic party. The leaders of the party, another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and PCs ye because of time. But those ones it really go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, hospital and a go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan you say na no man in Abaya. And the can was I would to me was oh, I mean say almost same people for. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals most of my for. I comfort my facilitator me on fund free seniors most of my for. You see any Ghana for debut. Na find a tables net 10 after the mokika mukaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect. Omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de sebi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open konketenkete. Is any one. You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa and I feel I'm watching them. Me na warning was saying me say me na me go catch you agent the many man say all members come to Butuu. Ye wa digitalization ye start say ye mo say daddy. Digitalization and to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade da mo kam. Ye wo krom ya. And the John the money mama could not and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, now what they are making and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but to Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear go your credit and now to me who let be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member Butuu region. Now Miss Films, hey. Remona Chapa ya happen say where can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
okwe ne letter na wo say council of state member no wo ye former staff Emma Nam 1 which is never true.
Onya adwuma wo da
And onya adwuma wo da ama Nam 1 for the first time Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Ya no catch obi say dipa ne boa.
O